नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking. In today's session, we are going to understand and guidelines which are given in Aphorism 103. In the same manner as has here been taught relative to the epidemic disease, which are generally of an acute character, the miasmatic chronic maladies, which, as I have shown, always remain the same in their essential nature, especially the SORA, must be investigated as to the whole sphere of their symptoms in a much more minute manner than has ever been done before. For in then also one patient only exhibits a portrait of their symptoms, a second, a third, and so on present some other symptoms, which also are but a portion of the totality of the symptoms which constitute the entire extent of this malady, that the whole array of the symptoms belonging to such an miasmatic chronic disease, and especially to the SORA, can only be ascertained from the observation of very many single patients affected with such a chronic disease, and without a complete survey and collective picture of these symptoms. The medicines capable of curing the whole malady homeopathically, to wit the antisolics, cannot be discovered, and the medicines are at the same time the true remedies of the several patients suffering from such chronic affections. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. So in today's session, Dr. Hinime explained about how to treat the epidemic diseases, how we get the totality of the symptoms in epidemic diseases, and if we follow these guidelines while in treating the epidemic disease, we can certainly cure more patients with confidence. Thank you. This session is for you.